What is going on, Dan Unfiltered? Checking out Einherjer. Crimson Rain. This comes from Gyra. If you guys have any questions, always just click that. Don't know what to tell you. I don't have any information on Einherjer. Let's get into it. Let's see what happens. Great album cover. Okay. Oh. This is like, it sounds almost as if you took a Viking metal band, which I'm assuming this is, that the name seems like it would be Einherjer, but a Viking metal band, and you told them to do a song in the theme of Nightmare Before Christmas. It has kind of a Christmassy vibe in the background with that little instrument they're using. It gives a little Nightmare Before Christmas thing to it. A little Tim Burton-ish. Keep it going. Ooh. Okay. fuck? Holy shit! That did not go as planned, as what I envisioned. Especially after the first about 30 seconds to a minute, I kind of thought I knew what we were going for, what we're doing, what this band is. I kind of thought I knew in the first minute of the song. Completely wrong, because about halfway through, they went on a whole detour through a whole like vision quest of the seven seas with Captain Jack Sparrow. It felt epic. It did. That was so sweet. That pocket they hit from that final half on, we went to a whole other plane of existence. That was fantastic. Like the first half, it was cool, but it sounds like a lot of the, I guess I'll call it Viking metal, lack of a better term of my knowledge of the band. But it sounded like just a normal, just another Viking metal band type of song. Cool. Cool. You can dig it. It's alright. It's just with a little, like I was saying before, a little Christmassy sprinkle in it, a little with the little jingle they had in the back with the keys. But once we left Earth, the whole thing became a beautiful piece of music. Really did. And in various switch ups. Like it didn't just switch once and we stayed in this one slow melodic piano tone which it started with. No. They went there, they brought in strings, they took strings away, the drums came in hard. Like it went all over the fucking place. It was awesome. The only thing missing, I guess, would be a choir. That's about it. That's about it. Good stuff. And luckily no horns. They didn't bring a fucking tuba or saxophone in for no reason. So that's good. A goddamn flautist. No, they could stay home. This worked. And definitely, again, not what I expected. We felt like we sailed the seven seas at the end there. Pirates of the Caribbean, bro. If you are still here. Good movies. They need to make another one. Just bring back the original cast. Don't recast Johnny Depp. Don't do that. Don't fuck it up. Don't do that.